So, the breathing exercises. The most important thing is that we imagine the thorax as one big space all the way down into the pelvis. One hand goes on your chest and one hand on your stomach. And you're just going to take some long, slow breaths. And again, this is an assessment to start off with. You're just noticing, does one hand move more than the other? Do they move at the same time? Do they fall as far as they rise? Once we've answered those questions, we can then move up to hands just on the top of the chest. Same thing, if I take a breath in here, now I'm moving my hands with my breath. Just seeing, does the right side move as far as the left side? Is it harder on one side compared to the other? And I come down to the sides of my ribcage. I'm going to breathe sideways now, so out to the side. Sideways and out to the side. And then relax. And come back to where we started. Breathe in. Both hands rise together, using your breath. Just let the air fall out. And ideally we follow this process for about 10 minutes, just working through different positions, sensing the breath in and the breath out, really focusing on not pushing air out. It's like a balloon. You fill it up, and when you want to let a balloon down, you just open the tap and let the air out. That's how I want you to experience your thorax, and think about the whole thing expanding, then just letting go. Once we've got that, we've removed the tension internally, and then we're going to add some movement.